FTC migration began 1 week ago. Let's look at the migration process and progress in the Fintoch app. Open the app, click on the browser button at the bottom of the page. You see Fintoch Chain Ecology, followed by FinSol. Click FinSol, this feature has been installed. Scroll down, you see the full network overview, and FTC logo. There are 60 million number of addresses, 3 million number of blocks, 1 million number of transfers and transactions. You can trace number of block and transfer in 24 hours. As we scroll, the migration is taking place. The number of blocks and transactions are transferring and added by seconds. Let's look at an withdrawal. In the lending pool, withdrawal was made on May 23, 2023. The funding details show, earning are being withdrawn. When check on the BNB wallet, transaction succeeded. It is still pending to be credited to the wallet USD BEP20.